Okay.
At least the one from me and Sebastian.
Okay.
Please don't
Real.
spam us. But yeah, if there's anything, just reach out. It might be a little bit bold to say that in front of so many people, but yeah, better to say than to write it.
I feel like I know the answer to Michael's question. The RealWare Z1 is still going to be the only intrinsically safe line, correct?
Yes. Okay. And I think that's actually important. We should address that point as well. What about the future product strategy? What product is going away? So there's very important to say the Navigator is not going away. Okay, so the ARC is joining the party. The ARC 3 is joining in. The Navigator 520, 500, and so on. So currently we have the Navigator series on as the Z1. There's currently no planned new intrinsic device that is coming, at least not in the near future. That's important to say. And we still see a huge amount of sales of the Z1s, very healthy, and it has basically no competitor out there. So that makes it very much longer on the longevity than the other devices are otherwise. So don't worry.
Yeah, you also have to understand it's very, very pricey.
They talked about it already. Yeah. That they're trying to get Vuzix. They're working with Vuzix to get certification with the SIM cards with Wi-Fi.
Paul asked if we are not working with Android anymore, but we are.
Yes.
As far as everything is with Android.
Yeah, just to clarify, Paul, basically. So there's different things, right?
You have to listen to them.
There's Android open source project. It's a bit a mess how they about the terms that they use. So there's Android open source project, which is the code
what are you going to do?
Is basically used to build the operating system for the Navigator, for the ARC, and all those devices. People often use it as saying Android based. Yes, that's true. But then Google says Android is a certified version of AOSP, Android Open Source Project. And this basically passes the certification of Google with what I mentioned beforehand, having a touch screen, having a certain size, having a certain pixel amount, all that stuff, yada, yada, yada. And this is the thing that AR devices can't pass. So if someone tells you the AR device, blah, 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 has Android, whatever, it means AOSP, whatever, basically. I hope that clarifies it. It's quite a mess from the terminology from them.
Back to the IP ratings for the ARC 3.
Yeah, so the IP ratings, a very good question as well. So what we have in terms of durability, you will get similar durability levels that you know, and also reliability from RealWare. So given all our great engineers, we will get same durability, everything on there. Nevertheless, the Navigator is still going to be more of the